Hi viewers, today I am explaining short notes of Supreme Court judgment dated 23rd May 2020. Jagmail Singh and another versus Karanjit Singh and others. In this case, without leading primary evidence, secondary evidence not allowed. The Supreme Court stated that in this case, the will is not produced at the time of trial, even though the petitioners filed a petition under section 65 and 66 of Indian Evidence Act to lead secondary evidence. So the Honorable Supreme Court not allowed the petition, dismissed the same. Kindly go through the short notes of the said judgment. Thank you, viewers.
This is Supreme Court judgment dated 23rd May 2020. Jagmail Singh and another appellants versus Karanjit Singh and others respondents. In this case, this copy was downloaded from Supreme Court website. This appeal is directed against the judgment dated 9/1/2017 passed by the Punjab Haryana High Court in civil revision. So hereby High Court confirmed the order of Civil Judge Junior Division, an application filed by the under section 65 and 66 of the Indian Evidence Act by the appellants, herein seeking permission to prove the copy of will dated 24/1/89 executed by one so and so in their favor by way of secondary evidence, as original will which was handed over to the village Patwari for mutation could not be retrieved. The High Court, while dismissing the application, observed that as prerequisite condition of existence of will not proved, the will not be permitted to be proved by allowing the secondary evidence. So in this case, the aggrieved person approached the Honorable Supreme Court. The Supreme Court stating that in this case, kindly go through the third para. During pendency of the aforesaid suit, an application under section 65 and 66 of Evidence Act was moved by the appellant seeking permission to prove copy of will dated 24/1/1989 by way of secondary evidence. The said application was allowed by the trial court by the order dated so and so. So even allow this application lower trial court. The revenue officials also not submitted original will. So without primary evidence, the Supreme Court held that without primary evidence not permitted to lead secondary evidence in this case. Kindly go to the last pair of this judgment. See here. In view of the aforesaid legal and factual position, we are of the considering opinion that the integrated judgment of High Court suffer from material irregularity and patent error of law and are not liable to be sustained and is thus hereby set aside. The appeal accordingly stands allowed. So without leading primary evidence, in this case, they try to adduce secondary evidence to prove the will. So the Supreme Court allowed the application against the judgment of High Court. This is the Supreme Court judgment, latest judgment. Now I am downloaded Supreme Court website. Judgment delivered May 13th, 2020. Thank you, viewers. Kindly share my videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.